Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what should you do if your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge gets stuck even with your AdaptiLift. So, actually the first thing that you need to do is to identify the obstacle height. If it's above 4 centimeters, set no-go zone to this place. If you want to know how to set the no-go zone, check out because we have a video for that. If you know, that's nice. And if it doesn't work for you, or if it's not above 4 centimeters, you need to clean the wheels of your vacuum itself, and apart from that, check for any roped cables or maybe hair which may be preventing the lift. And actually, that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you very much, and now I hope that your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge doesn't get stuck. Goodbye.